The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tensas Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Madison Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Concordia Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Central Catahoula Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Eastern Franklin Parish in northeastern Louisiana, western Warren County and west central Mississippi, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bakers to Lardo, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bakers around 2:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Monterey and Tyndall around 2:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Deer Park and Afton around 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tallulah and Mansford around 2:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Mound, Gilbert, Sicily Island, Delta, Ridgecrest, and Richmond. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Louisiana and southwestern and west central Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Franklin, Louisiana. A tornado warning remains